Welcome to CalFit, your ultimate destination for mastering bodyweight training and unlocking your full physical potential. Whether you're a beginner starting from scratch or an advanced athlete pushing the limits, we got you. Before we go on, we're not medical experts. These workouts can be strenuous. Be sure you consult with your private GP before starting these workouts. If you've got the green light, then pace yourself and start slow, but stay consistent and keep building your strength with regular workouts. No gym? No problem? No fancy equipment? We don't need it. All you need is your body, a little space, and a whole lot of determination. At CalFit, we're all about functional fitness that you can do anywhere, anytime. From pull-ups and push-ups to the holy grail of calisthenics, handstands and muscle-ups, we break down every movement with step-by-step guidance, making sure you progress safely and efficiently. Trying to master that first pull-up? Want to nail your handstand balance? Or maybe you're here to challenge yourself with advanced movements like the planche or front lever. No matter your goal, we've got you covered. We believe fitness should be fun, challenging, and yes, sometimes a little frustrating. But hey, that's all part of the journey, right? Progress is progress, whether it's your first push-up or your 100th. To keep things simple, I've included downloadable sheets that you can use to follow along. Just look in the channel description and go get them. No strings attached. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join a community of like-minded people who are transforming their bodies with calisthenics. Let's get stronger, more flexible, and unlock new levels of mobility together. Welcome to CalFit, where you don't just work out, you sculpt your body into a masterpiece.